Cheers. It's so yummy.
Good morning, this is Mommy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Georgy. Say good morning po. Good morning.
Do you want coffee, Georgie? Daddy's making coffee. Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee to wake you up? Daddy's going to make coffee. No?
I'm so
How
tired.
about a big cuddle? Do you want a hug? And there's Big Ben, and there's Mummy.
I miss my daddy. Where's my daddy gone?
Daddy's not there. Daddy's taking the photo.
Go to the album of UK holiday.
If you push here, you can see the next one. Daddy at the zoo.
Yes, and me.
Yeah, you
Not
must you're in
yet.
Mummy's tummy.
No, Anna.
Gawa tayo ng orange juice for Daddy and Mommy and Georgie. Yan, gawa tayo juice. What's the taste?
It tastes so good.
Tastes so good.
It tastes so good, Mommy.
Which one you prefer? Orange juice from McDo or orange juice from Mommy?
Orange juice for Mommy.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
what's that? I'm back. What's that? I'm back, Mommy. You little Daddy, you want to try?
Cheers.
Yeah, you want some more?
Yeah.
It's a nice cold.
That's too much.
Little by little, okay?
That's so Mommy. That's so yummy again.
No more na, no more na.
Making 5 candles for Daddy.
Why? It's Daddy's birthday?
Yeah,
How old Daddy's today now?
Daddy. I get Daddy.
You get Daddy,
You
come.
stay here.
To sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Keep going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yes, it's moon cake.
It's a moon cake.
You know that moon cake is real. Chinese have a moon cake. They call moon cake.
Do they?
Yeah.
Today?
What does it taste
Do
like?
they?
Do they?
You don't like it because that moon cake has...
Made of milk?
No, it comes with a salted egg.
I'm not eating that.
That's why I said.
And me too.
It's disgusting, Georgie.
It's disgusting, Daddy.
Yeah, we're not eating moon cake.
Para
It's
yes and
disgusting,
right.
isn't it?
Mommy and Daddy, Georgie will
Lift, lift,
do
lift.
painting.
Lift. lift the paint.
Alright, sorry, good.
This one. Okay, I'll use this one. I'll use the yellow one.
What are you eating?
I'm eating grapes, Mommy.
Are they nice?
Why slowly, love?
Slowly. You'll choke. Where's mine?
She likes it. I thought it's a bit sour.
Yummy.
Is it sour?
No, it's yummy.
Is it not sour?
No, it's nice. Look, this is a bowl, Daddy.
It's like a little ball.
I make you pizza, Daddy.
You made me a pizza?
Yeah.
I'd rather have some grapes. You're going to give Daddy one?
Okay. And Mommy.
One for mommy. Thank you, love.
One for Daddy. Thank you, love.
Thank you for sharing.
And me.
Mmm, so yummy. It is a bit sour.
It's big, yummy, Daddy.
Yeah, but it's sour. It's sour.
Yeah, it's sour, yeah?
Yum,
See, look. Her face is... Nothing happened with her face.
You like it?
Yeah. I have more grapes.
You want more? I'm sure Mummy don't mind.
Yeah. 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 Let's see you soon, Jada. Goodbye, Fatty Sauce. Goodbye, baby. Now? Just play with me now. Okay. Don't walk here. Go to bed here. Sit. One. Boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom. Whoa! Boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom. Whoa! So, my first verse. Sonny, I want water. Happy sorry. Mommy,
Yes,
hey,
love.
Daddy wants to play with me.
Daddy wants to play with you?
Yeah.
Mommy wants to play with you. I'm just sneaking up to take your video.
Let's go to that one, Mommy. Mommy, let's
Ouch.
play these.
Aray ko, my ribs, love. Aray ko. Ang taba ko, naipit.
No, I want this, Mommy.
That's
I
it.
love it too, Mommy.
Me too. I love you very much. Good night.
Mommy, look at me. I want to see. Mommy, please, Mommy.
She's singing.
Mm.
We never watched it.
Please, Mommy. Please.
Okay, where's my kiss?
Night night, girls.
I first.
Say night night, Daddy.
Say good night, Daddy.
Night night, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy's talking to you.
Night night.
Night night.
I love you. Oi. Oi.
Look at Daddy.
Oi. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you all.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.